Hello again, a new day, a new fix, hopefully. You see, I've been out of tune for a week. I had a terrible flu, but I'm okay, so let's start doing some useful things. So this is a juicer? That's something related with fruits and juice. Like usually, a friend of mine asked me if I can fix this for him, and why not? You know, I never had a fixing like that, or a attempt to fix anything like this. All right, this is going out, and this goes out too. You see, inside here, there is a motor, probably. We have a simple switch, probably 2 speeds. Well, the first step is to check for short. We need a multimeter. Any kind of multimeter will do the job. I just put it in the diode mode, and we should hear a beep. And that is nothing. Well, I may say, this is good news. If we got no short, that means we have chances the motor to be okay, and I believe the problem is with the switch. Let's try and open it up. I think we have these screws here. Let's check that. Yes, that's Phillips, no doubt. Is there any other one? I don't think so. All right, easy job. This guy was never dismantled, so the main connectors are one here and the other one, the black one here. And we have a little electronic there. I think this is a triac, around 18 ohms. This is good. So I believe the motor is okay. Well, I didn't expect that. Why it's so complicated? We need a motor, just a motor. It's a kind of strange intention, you know, to overdo the things. Let me take this switch out. Sometimes a little brute force doesn't hurt. There we go. Like a potentiometer. Let me have first the power cable, multimeter, diode mode, connectivity. Okay. So this is good. Yeah, the cable is okay. We got a fuse here. The fuse is fine. Let's see about the diodes. That's good. This is good. This is good. Same. This is shorted. What about this guy? I think that's okay. So this one is shorted. Let's see what's happening there. 11.5. Okay, that's not a short. So I believe it's something related with this. That's on T12M5T. 12 amp triac. Like I thought. That's a triac. We really don't know if the track is still alive. Doesn't look hurt to me. You see, the motor is running to a kind of DC current because we have a plus and a minus here. This is interesting. What else can be? Maybe this switch is... Let's check these guys. That's okay. Perfect. These guys are working. Let me see the other one. Going here. Interesting. Well, funny. It's still shorted, so I can check that. Everything is related to this diode here. And of course the motor. Well, in fact, this diode is connected with the motor. This one is for having the transient voltages, you know, spikes and whatever, cleaning. Nothing left but the triac. Let's take it out and let's check it. I think this triac is deserting, or it should be placed on a little thermal or a heat sink, and I'm gonna do that for sure. Come on, Mr. Triac. And I'm gonna use my component tester to see about this guy. Well, it's good. Nothing else to check but this switch. Okay. This is fine. Everything is fine. So, what can be wrong? But you know something? I'm not gonna apply a full power here, and I'm gonna use my power supply for delivering. I think I got like 40 volts or something. That should be enough to see if the motor is okay. Yeah, the motor is okay. It feels okay. What if we apply a DC current here? Shall we give a try? Everything's fine. So what was the deal with this guy? This is funny. I'm fixing something who doesn't need to be fixed. Or maybe it's something wrong with these contacts. You know, getting power from outside. Yeah, this one is getting hot. How can I improvise a little heatsink there? Okay, so I called my friend and she said that it just stops working. Well, I don't see any problem with the electronics here. I don't see any problem with the motor. Maybe in here somewhere we have a thermal fuse. That is very possible to be, you know, a kind of extra heat. And that one is disconnecting usually the motor. But so far nothing wrong here. But as long as we did all this dismantle, let me clean this track here, and I will apply heatsink just in case. I'll use some elastic glue. This will keep the things out of vibration down here like that. Okay, and the thyristor too, or the triac, in fact. There we go. That's enough. So those switches should be on only when this connections, or how I call this, straps, will be in proper position to avoid the motor running uncontrolled. Well, it's looking like the mystery is solved. You see one of these hinges down there. You see that piece of plastic here? That should activate one of these micro switches. When both of them are pressed, then the motor have its voltage. So that one was out of the way. Now I'm trying to put the things together in a proper position. Let's see if I succeed that without getting that piece apart or out of the path. Well, I believe so. We are good. Screws. Okay, take the wires out, and now we should see, that's the plastic I'm talking about, this one here, you see? Well, what's happening here? No chance. I mean, these guys are not pushing enough for the switches to turn on the motor. Oh yeah. Okay, so we should have this simply pressing these guys in there, but we don't. How comes? Okay, let's fake this. Here. Nothing. Indeed, we have a problem. Okay, back. So, what can I do in this situation? Let me have this latches a little bit wider, you know, like this. And now I just changed the distance for the plastic to, let me call it, a better action. Well, it's looking like the job is done. Let's have a final test. So the brackets are on. Now we should have power. And we have. low speed, high speed. Now let's try on high speed, and it's out. It's perfect. Okay, that's it about fixing a Bosch juicer, fruit juicer, and I hope it's useful. In the meantime, don't forget, like, subscribe, and of course, have fun. Bye bye.